want to talk to you guys about income producing property and Medicaid, at least here in Florida. Florida Medicaid has an exemption for your asset analysis for income producing property. So believe it or not, you can own rental property in the state of Florida and apply for Medicaid long-term care benefits like in-home care, assisted living, memory care, or skilled nursing. And if it is a rental property, Medicaid won't count the value of the property as an asset towards your $2,000 asset cap or asset limit. So that is a strategy that works well for people that come to us needing care and already have rental properties. Or for those who don't have rental properties, we can actually purchase rental property in order to protect the assets. Real quick story on that. Had a lady several years ago that had over $1 million in cash. Unfortunately, she was in a nursing home. At that time, it was about $14,000 a month, and she was never going to leave. So we took her $1 million after looking at all of the strategies. This is not my go-to strategy, but it's kind of cool when it works. And so in this case, it worked. We didn't need liquidity. She didn't have any other expenses. So we took her $1 million, bought a beach condo on the Gulf of Mexico for $1 million, which was a really nice one back then. And we rented it to snowbirds for 3-4 months out of the year. That was enough to cover the taxes, maintenance, insurance, homeowners association. And then the rest of the year, her children, went to go check on the condo every weekend to make sure that there was no squatters. And while they were there, they went to the beach and enjoyed the condo. And the fact is, it didn't make a lot of income. It just barely covered its own expenses. The property was worth $1 million when we bought it. Medicaid paid over $400,000 towards her long-term care nursing home bill for the next probably 3 years of her life. When mom died, the children all inherited the property with the magic step up in bases. So it was worth $1.1 million at that time. It had gone up by $100,000. The children get it with a basis of $1.1 million. They could sell it, keep it, rent it, do whatever they want. They ended up selling it and splitting the money. So mom didn't have to pay $400,000 extra for her care. They got to use a really nice beach condo for the last 3 years of mom's life. And when mom died, they had a nice inheritance that had actually gained in value from the time we made the investment. So if you or someone you know needs long-term care in Florida, I would be happy to talk to them, give them their options. Income-producing property may or may not be the right strategy for them or for you, but it's one of the tools in our tool belt. Have a great day.